Ryobi days, guys, on Home Depot. So it's about time to get another stuff again because, like I said, I bought this stick vacuum here, 18 volts cordless, and this one here that's include that battery for free right there. This is worth of $200. This special buy, over $360 value on that. And this one I bought it for $199. So, and then I get a free battery here, 4Ah and 2Ah, and plus a charger. So yeah, very nice one. Ryobi days, guys. So it's nice to go and shop at the Home Depot and buy some stuff. I'm gonna buy more battery, and it's for free, you know. Or buy tools, you get free battery, or buy battery, you're gonna get free tools.